Hi, I'm Karen. I'm a Lasio professional educator, and today I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial using Adios Frizz. Adios Frizz is a styling spray that eliminates frizz and heat protects for up to 3 washes. You can use this at home or in your salon. Follow these simple steps for a smooth, shiny, and frizz-free finish. Alright, so thoroughly wash the hair and condition lightly. Make sure your towel drying and getting all the moisture out and leaving the hair damp. Step 2. You want to section the hair as desired and evenly spray the product throughout the hair. You want to ensure that the hair is fully saturated for best results. Step 3. Blow dry with tension using either a round brush or a vented brush. Avoid using any styling products until this step is complete. Step 4. For a sleek, smooth finish, you want to make sure you pass through the hair with a flat iron at 300 degrees. This treatment will eliminate 100% of frizz, enhance shine, and leave your hair with a soft, weightless finish. After you're finished, you're free to style the hair as desired. Today we did choose to do some beach waves on our beautiful client, and it looked amazing. This product will eliminate 100% of frizz, leaving your hair soft and super shiny and weightless. Follow us for more hair care tips.